In this video, I'll show you how to customize your sales forms in QuickBooks Online, like invoices, estimates, and sales receipts, so they match your brand and business needs. So first, make sure you log into your QuickBooks Online account, and then from the top right corner, click the gear icon, and then under the Your Company, select the Custom Form Styles. So click this, and now from here click the new style button and choose the type of form you want to customize. It's either invoice, estimate, or sales receipt. So it's up to you. But for example, I'm going to choose the invoice. So click this, and then in the design tab, you can change the template style, fonts, and colors in here. So you can even upload your company logo. And then under the content tab, you'll be able to adjust what sections appear on your form, like whether to show shipping info, terms, or custom fields. And then finally, under the emails tab, you can customize the email message that customers receive along with the form. So once everything looks good, you can click the done button and your new sales form style will be ready to use. And that's it. QuickBooks lets you make your forms look polished and professional all in just a few clicks. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.